What is up, you guys? It's your girl Tori, and I am back with another video. So this is day 7 of Vlogmas, and I didn't do anything today. Today was like a chill day. I've just been working on some stuff for this intro, which isn't, I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out how I want to do it. It's going to be simple, but I need to put it together. So I've been like watching videos on like ideas to, do it. Now I'm gonna go make some banana coconut muffins, and it's pretty late. So that's why I didn't film at all today, because it wasn't really much to do. So I'm gonna group today's and tomorrow's into one video. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, so this is one of the pictures. And then I remove the background, do the outline, and then I just need to figure out like how I'm gonna put it on, how I'm gonna do the intro. But yeah, hopefully it'll be done today so that when I upload tomorrow, I can use the new intro and end screen. Hey you guys, so I'm back. I woke up earlier, but I was getting some other stuff done, and now I'm about to make either tea. I think I'm gonna make tea or coffee. No, I'm gonna make coffee, but I've been using instant coffee like for the past few months because the coffee maker we had broke. And I have another one that I had in school, but it is in all the stuff that I took home like from over a year now when I moved back from school. It's in the basement, and I've been too lazy to go down there and look for it. So I've just been making like instant coffee whenever I want coffee. But I'm gonna miss it though, cause like I had so much K-cups. So I might look for it. I'm hoping it's still working because I have not used it in over like 2 years. Like I haven't used it since I moved back from school because we already had one here. So I'm gonna look for that. What is up, you guys? It's your girl Tori, and I'm back with another video. So I've been missing these past 2 days for Vlogmas because there hasn't been anything to do, and I wasn't feeling good yesterday, so I was like, I don't have the energy to record today. But I'm back today, and today is gonna be. I don't have anything planned for today. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't. But as the day goes, I'm gonna film content. I do want to mention that I made like banana oat pancakes with like coconut flour. Not pancakes, muffins. But normally I use like almond oat or what am I saying? Normally I use like oat flour or almond flour, but I didn't have any, so I used coconut flour. But coconut flour is so annoying because you have to use all these eggs. And I did the consistency that the lady said, but they didn't come out great. Like I didn't like them. So that was a fail. I'm gonna have to remake them. So if I go to the store today, I'll get the correct flour. Because it's supposed to be like a low sugar, you know. I don't use like regular flour for it or wheat flour. But yeah, that was a fail. So I couldn't enjoy it. And then yesterday I was just doing stuff like um I was just working on like my resume, updating it, and making sure I have all my paperwork. My resume is all done, and I'm looking into like remote positions this time around. Like I was working like all last year, this not all last year, like towards the end, and then majority of this year. And I took a break because I had to do some stuff for, applying to school and stuff. So now I'm back to looking for a job. And I do want to do something like remote though so that I can do it from home. I'm so sick of going out. Like, I'm sick of these people and COVID. And even though I'm vaccinated, I just, if I don't have to be out there, I'd rather not, especially with all these variants coming out. So, yeah. Anyways, that's what I'm doing today. I'm gonna make a few green screens for my video, so I'm gonna do that as well, which is why I have my iPad with me. And then yeah, that is what we're working on today. I'm gonna chill in the living area because yeah. Alright, you guys, so I finished doing what I was doing and I'm back because I wanted to switch out my purses since I got this new one that I was showing you guys in the last video that I posted, the bag from Primark. So I want to switch my stuff over to it to see how it fits. So this is the bag I have now. This bag is not a name brand or anything. I actually found this in, I think it was at Ross or something, but I love the color. So I was like, let me get it. It's a nice size too. So let's switch over stuff to this one. I got my scissors. By the way, I paid 14 bucks for this bag. So not expensive at all. Primark has the nicest bags, by the way. Take this out. And then this is the strap. Let me see how it looks. Let's see. Inside, it has a typical zipper inside, but very spacious, which I love. So let me go through my bag first. I got my purse, and then lip gloss. This is a moisturizer from EOS. And then I have some lip balm as well from EOS, which I need to put some on because my lips are dry. And then I got some pain medication for cramps because, yeah. Wipes, Clorox wipes, charger. Always keep one in my bag. And then I do have a taser because I don't play. You can get it. Anybody can get it. But yeah, I do have a taser. Y'all, quick story time. I had, this is my second taser. I haven't used it on anyone. But I had another taser. Oh, my mom's coming in when she passes. I had a second taser, and I had jury duty at the end of last year. I think it was like the beginning of October. So I had the taser. It was pink as well, but like a bright pink. And I don't know what I was thinking. So I went to the place for the jury duty selection. And when I got there, it's while I was about to go through the metal detector that I realized that I have the, what's this called again? Taser on me. So as I'm going through, so I get there, I'm standing there. I get there early, and I stop and I'm like, I have my taser with me. So I walk back outside because I'm like, what am I gonna do with this taser? I don't want to lose it, and I can't bring it in. So what do I do with it? I can't just leave it somewhere. I was trying to think of ways, like, can I leave it in the bushes and then come back and get it? But I'm like, that's a bit suspicious in front of like a government building for me to be doing that. So I just walked in and I announced to the security that, hey, I do have a taser. I forgot to take it out. So he was like, okay, yeah, we're going to have to take it. And I was like, okay, can I get it back at the end of the day? And he was like, no. You can't get it back. So I ended up getting selected for jury duty. So I was at jury duty for a whole week. And every single day I came in, I could see my taser in the bin because it's bright pink. I can see it. I keep talking to the security guard. I'm like, that's my taser. Like, can I get it back? This man said no all the way through. I never got that taser back. I was so annoyed. So I ended up having to get another one. Got this on Groupon, by the way, if you're looking for a taser, because they do sell them on Amazon, but it will limit you based on your shipping address if you can purchase it or not. Because I tried it, and they were like, PA is not one of the states that in. Charger. The only thing I don't like with this bag is, like, in this bag, it has, like, the compartments up here as well. Has these, like, little compartments here. This bag doesn't, which would be nice because, you know, you can organize your stuff a bit more. But that's okay. And this is it. And I feel like when I do, like, use my camera, it can just fit in easily as well. And I like how it's covered at the top, you know, so you can't see inside. This bag didn't have, like, a zipper or anything, just this little clasp, so you could still kind of see what's in the bag. So I didn't like bringing it certain places. But this works perfect. I like this little part right here. But you know, this doesn't match with everything, so you can easily just put it in the bag. And this is it. I like it because, let me tell you, I've been looking for a bag that has the same type of look for a while now. So I'm glad I went into Primark and found it. It's so cute. But yeah. What's up, you guys? So I'm back. I'm currently walking from the store. I forgot to vlog because I couldn't find what I wanted in the store. So like I mentioned, the cake was a fail, the cupcakes. So now I'm gonna make red velvet cupcakes today. So I went to Family Dollar, which is close to me. Now I'm about to go to Dunkin' Donuts because I want a latte. 1 second.
Let me know when you're ready.
Okay, thank you. Alright, so I got my coffee. I didn't get coffee. I got vanilla chai latte. Yeah, because they took this off the menu at one point, and they must have heard all the complaints because they put it right back on there. So I love getting this when I don't want to drink coffee. Between vanilla chai and green tea, that's like my coffee substitute. So yeah, I'm almost home. I don't live too far. And I ended up, because I had to walk back to, first I went to Family Dollar, and they didn't have the red velvet mix. So I had to go to Dollar General. They had it, but then they didn't have eggs. And we're out of eggs, and we don't go grocery shopping until this weekend. And I need that. So I had to go back to Family Dollar. But yeah, I'm almost home, so I gotta put y'all away so I can open the door. Y'all, I'm using my phone, so if the camera quality looks a bit different, that's why. And let me wash my hands real quick. Quick question, do you guys still wipe your stuff down when you get back from the store? I've been doing it since like last March when the pandemic started. But I know some people don't do it anymore. But I still be scared. Or I think it's become a habit. So I always do it now. Anyways, I got the eggs just to last for, And then I got the red velvet mix. And then some cream cheese, frosting, and some bacon cups. I even be wiping down my coffee. I'd be so paranoid. Well, not my coffee, my vanilla chai. This tastes so good. So good. Anyways, I am gonna go ahead and wrap this vlog up here because I'm not making the cupcakes until later, so it's gonna be too late for me to do that and then edit the vlog. So I'll show you how they look tomorrow though. And yeah, make sure to like this vlog, make sure to comment and subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell so you know whenever I upload, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.